Okay, it is 6:22 a.m. Look what this nasty ass little Riri cat did. It's just sitting there. That is so disgusting. How could she violate like that? As soon as we open the freezer, there's a block of frozen shit. That's some nasty shit. That's some nasty shit. Nasty. Straight nasty. Look. Look what they do. They just fuck shit up. Look, she was just scratching on the chair. Yeah, finish scratching on the chair. She said, fuck it. There you go, right here. See this? This shit it right there.